Alright, the Icon Intro, 2009 model. My newest one. This one is pretty nice. You know, it's really light. So, first light bike I have. Seat's really small. I'm probably gonna change it. Handlebars, as you can see, are already scratched up. Are made by MirraCo. MirraCo handlebar stem. Messed up already. Left the job good. It's got MirraCo grips, which I don't really like because they slide a lot when you're sweating. You got one brake, made by Tetra. I like two brakes, personal preference, but they don't have that a lot. Got a MirraCo fork, matte black, Alex C03 X rims, bike on, the 5-star. You got the MirraCo seat clamp, the Icon logos. This bike is 280. It's the 09 model. The new 10 models look just like it, but I don't think they have matte black anymore. You can hear that right there. Yeah, it's a really nice finish. Looks pretty evil in the dark, so I recommend it because it's really cheap and it's a really good bike. So go check